Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be looking at one of my Daron planes that I just got yesterday. So let's get right to the video. So it takes 10 seconds to guess what kind of airplane it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you guess Frontier, you guys are correct. I've seen this on Amazon. I have seen this in real life. Let's see. I don't have any of these. I don't have any of these on Frontiers, but it says they look really nice, and I actually do. So yeah, I already cut it open. So okay. Oh wow, that looks nice. And also you can see the back of it. It says it's gonna be the lion one or lion. I think it's a lion or tiger. I don't know any animals. I only know dogs and cats and lizards. So right here we have wheels, 4 wheels to land right here like this. It goes on the main wheels and goes to the front wheel. And you can see the animal in the back. And it says Frontier right there. From a different angle, on an angle. And this is how it takes off. It takes off with its front wheel first, and it takes off with its main wheels. And it says right here Frontier. I don't have any of these, but it looks really cool. I mostly don't have these airplanes that I want, like they see the wings. I don't have actually most of those. So so this has been a Frontier. Looks cool. The green is green. I think it says Frontier somewhere. No, it doesn't say Frontier, but the engine is green. Looks cool. I get the main airport is Denver, so it's cool. I know this has been a short one, guys, but it's fine. I mean, I make short videos a lot, so stay cool. We out.